Hey everyone! Looking to make some extra cash? Here are 5 fun and easy ways for teens to earn money. Number 1. Dog walking. Love animals? Offer dog walking services in your neighborhood. It's a great way to stay active and make some cash. Number 2. Lawn care. Mow lawns, rake leaves, or shovel snow for your neighbors. It's a perfect way to earn money and get a workout. Number 3. Babysitting. Take care of kids and earn some money. Get certified in CPR and first aid to boost your credibility and make parents feel secure. Number 4. Tutoring. If you excel in a subject, offer tutoring services to younger students. You can even do this online and help students from anywhere. Number 5. Yard sales and flipping. Declutter your home and sell items you no longer need at a yard sale or online. You can also buy items cheaply, fix them up, and sell them for a profit. So there you have it. 5 awesome ways to make money as a teen. Try them out and watch your savings grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips.